Hi, I'm Hazel. The Azuma Ibiza drinks table is the must-have accessory for your garden parties, picnics and barbecues this summer. Let's take a quick look. At first glance, it looks like any other ordinary side table, but this one can be used as a coffee table, drinks cooler or a cocktail bar, so it really is a must-have for any garden or patio. Lift up the tabletop to reveal a secret compartment that you can fill with ice to store beer, wine, juice cans to keep nice and cool for up to 12 hours. Keep your stash hidden and use it as a coffee table for your snacks. Or use the lock-in feature to secure the table's height to use it as a champagne or cocktail bar. It's literally the most functional outdoor table ever. Made from a modern rattan design, it features a tempered glass top and is a stylish black colour, so it will fit in with your already existing outdoor furniture. The durable poly rattan weave is suitable for all kinds of weather, including the sun rays, and the compact design means you can easily store it away in the winter months too. The Azuma Ibiza side table is the perfect accessory for enjoying drinks this summer. You can have your morning coffee, perfectly chilled drinks with your guests, or some cocktails on a Friday night with your friends. It really is the perfect summer accessory. Cheers and thanks for watching.